See, a beautiful day for a ride. We like riding back on country roads and with a lot of twists and turns. We love the curviness of 250 as we travel from the south to Caddis. There's a lot of twists and turns and a lot of farm country out here. It is a beautiful ride, and we enjoy riding it quite often. As you see, as we come up here, there are some hairpin turns that makes it a little more exciting. We always enjoy the exciting ride, and there are a lot of different routes that you can take on the 250 that will make an interesting all-day ride. This depends on what you feel like riding and where you feel like going. You can break off and ride mile 15 and go to New Athens and to State Route 22 out to Piedmont Lake and stuff, or you can go down into Mount Pleasant, Dillonville, Smithfield, Medina. There's just a lot of different places to ride. Here is the hairpin turns that I was talking about earlier. Lean to the left and ride down through. This is the first one. As we come up, there's what I call 3 of them here. It is a nice, turny ride. If you had a sports bike, it'd probably be a little cleaner, faster going around the turns. This is the second turn as we come in, and coming down to the third one down here, which is kind of nice. You don't get to see this too much in the state of Ohio as much as you do in West Virginia. Another good route is 164 between Bargles and Selanesville if you like the curves, which I will put or have videos up, and I will put some more videos up because it is a nice ride too. As you see, it is a beautiful countryside throughout Ohio in this section of town, the state. It is fall time, the leaves are starting to change. It is a beautiful time to ride and enjoy the nice day out. Hopefully you enjoy. We would like you to like, share, and subscribe, and help our channel grow. As always, remember to keep the rubber side down and be safe out there. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.